Have you ever wondered about the journey from being an ordinary individual to becoming extraordinary? Have you thought about the transition from a single talent to a bouquet of skills, from neutral abilities to the glow of the neo sun, and from a zero to a hero? In today's fiercely competitive world, it's not unusual for students to struggle, grapple with intense emotions like anger, impatience, and feel the pressure of constant comparison. It's high time to change that narrative. Introducing the Mannered Mind's creative concepts, a beacon of guidance that brings out the true potential in every student, offering solutions to manage emotions and nurture potential leaders. Our belief rests on the power of each individual to excel in their chosen field. It's about recognizing your inner strength and tapping into it to reach new heights. From managing emotions to navigating the complexities of life, the Mannered Minds presents a beautiful ladder to reach your life goals. Imagine transitioning from being just an ordinary student to becoming an extraordinary one, from having a single talent to adopting a multifaceted approach, and from neutral abilities to reaching the neo-sun level. Our approach is simple yet potent. We equip you with the perfect plan for your beloved children's, which will become a valuable gift to unlock their true potential and excel in this competitive world. Join us on this transformative journey from zero to hero. Together, we can rewrite your story. The Mannered Mind's creative concepts, unleashing potential, building leaders. Experience the transformation with the Mannered Minds.